Welcome in, everyone, and thank you for joining us here on Midday. I'm Keely Shields. So we've been following Francine all morning with team weather coverage. Chief Meteorologist Isaac Williams is in studio, and our Grace Brister is in Calhoun County. But before we get to Grace, Isaac, what's our latest forecast looking like?
Yeah, Keely, heavy rain still working through portions of the Golden Triangle, Columbus, West Point, now shifting into portions of Monroe, Chickasaw, and Pontotoc counties. Some of that heavier rain band action setting up. And again, the band of rain itself is not all that widespread, but it is very heavy in spots, and the winds are still very gusty. We've seen numbers as high as 49 miles per hour at the Columbus Air Force Base. We still see gusts right now of 40 miles per hour there in Iuka, as well as 37 mile per hour wind gust in Tupelo. As I mentioned, the rain is still falling in Columbus, but it's a little bit heavier just up the highway in Monroe County near Aberdeen and Hamilton, and then curving back into portions of northern Chickasaw County. And then finally in Pickens County, Alabama, some heavier showers setting up there. Still a brisk, cloudy, and rainy afternoon here for most of us, and the rest of the afternoon here you can see those showers and maybe a storm or two that might have some rotation. We'll be watching more about that coming up. First, though, we'll now send it up to Grace Brister, who is in Calhoun County. Grace?
Yeah, Isaac, when we were driving up here to Calhoun County, it wasn't just the rain that impacted our drive, it was also the wind. You could feel our car moving back and forth just because of the wind. So if you're out there driving today, make sure you're staying weather aware and you're careful on the roads. Now here in Calhoun County, they are no stranger to weather like this, and especially flooding. That is why they have protocols set in place for these issues like that. I talked to the EMA director earlier, and he says they had special response teams ready to go to rescue anyone, and they also have boats ready to deploy. And he said this is unfortunately just a harsh reality they face here, especially because the Yallabusha River will get clogged and lead to overflowing and flooding out here. So I'm going to go talk to him later today to find out more about their response plan to Francine and how they've been preparing, and I'll bring that story to you later on today. But for right now, telling your story live in Calhoun County, Grace Brister, WCBI News.
All right, Grace, thanks for that update.